Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the 2020 Queen quarter ounce gold proof coin. This is part of a new series, the first in a new series from the UK Royal Mint called Music Legends. And so each year they're going to feature a different rock band on gold and silver coins to honor the accomplishments of these musicians. And which better band to start with than Queen? I don't know if every band is going to be a UK band because the Royal Mint are the ones making these, but I would assume, at least to start with, they will all be UK bands. These sold out from the Mint in the first 2 hours, so I was lucky to get one before they were all sold out, and I actually bought two just to be safe. So one is going into my Symphony set collection, and then the second one I'll be reselling on eBay. Okay, but enough of that. Let's dig into here and see what we got. Nice little black box. This is going to be the COA, probably with information, about both the band, the new Music Legends series, and then the coin itself. There's some information on the designer. Very cool. Okay, there we have the Queen. It was on all of the UK coinage. And the other side, we have the band design. There's one instrument there for each member of the band. The designer said in the interview that he wanted to make sure that everybody got an equal shot or equal amount of space on the coin. And you might notice that the piano is playing a chord. That is the opening chord to Bohemian Rhapsody. That's a gorgeous proof coin. Looks like we also get the COA in here, and they're numbered. So I got coin number 731. I don't remember if I said earlier, but they only made 1,250 of these, which is why they sold out so quickly. And each one of these is a quarter ounce of 4/9 fine gold, which is as pure as you can get. Yeah, overall, very nice presentation, very nice coin, and it should fit in perfectly with my Symphony set, which I have mentioned here on the channel before, but the Symphony set features coins that highlight various musical instruments or composers, musicians. This will be the first modern band in my Symphony set. I have a number of composers like Mozart and Beethoven, Bach, those classical composers, but there are currently, this is the first coin I'll be adding, and the first coin that I'm aware of that has a modern band on it. I am quite the fan of this band. I do own all of their albums, their entire discography, and I'm a fan of the vast majority of it. So this is a really cool first coin to start this new series, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing which bands they do next. I'm really hoping for a Pink Floyd coin. They are my all-time favorite band. I would die for the Pink Floyd gold coin. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Do you like Queen? Do you like the coin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, see you guys soon.